In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Meta app to run effective Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, so even if you don't have a laptop, with just your smartphone, right? With just your smartphone, you can run effective Facebook and Instagram ads, right? So follow me as I show you exactly how to use your smartphone to run profitable Facebook and Instagram ads. So to run effective Facebook and Instagram ads that convert with your phone, go to your Play Store or your App Store, right? Then search for this app, Meta Ads Manager, right? Then install it. Mine is showing update because I already have it on my phone. So just install this app here, this app, Meta Ads Manager. So install it, open it to your phone, right? Meta Ads, right? This app. So open it, right? So before we proceed, you can see that all the ads I have set up, they are reflecting here. So this is all of the ads I'm running. You can see showing I informing. This one is showing I informing, alright. So whatever I want to teach you here is not what I read from Google, alright. It's from real life experience, real campaign. I've run a lot of campaigns for almost any industry you can think of, right? And you can see that we're getting leads for as cheap as 79 naira, right? And they're making a lot of sales. This is a physical, this is an e-com business. That's by the same. Let me show you how you can run ads with this app. So let's select the ad account you want to use. Now on this place, click on the plus icon here. By the way, if you don't have a ad account, I'm going to show you how you can create an ad account, right? As a complete beginner. Even if you don't have a laptop, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone to create it. Just as you're going to appear your laptop, I'm going to show you how to use your phone right before the end of this video. So you want to make sure that you stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any important information regarding how to use your phone to run effective ads. Now, you see this place to create your ad, click on this plus button here. Click on it. Then click on create campaign. Now, as a business owner, the only business you have here is lead generation and sales. So that you want to drive leads to your WhatsApp group, Telegram group, your email list, so that you can be communicating with these people and sell to them and build relationship with them so that you can sell to them. Or you try and sell to them directly with the sales objective, where they can order a product or buy a tripwire offer, buy a low ticket offer instantly, or order physical product and pay on delivery and all that. So that's the only business you have here with, right? The lead objective and the sales objective. Every other thing here is distraction. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to select the sales objective. Now this is our campaign level, alright? As you can see, we have selected our sales objective already. Here we tell Meta what we want. That we want sales, we want lead, or we want engagement. So we selected sales, right? Now our campaign name, this way you rename your campaign. Let me just see Saga event, right? Save and continue. You want to name your ad name so that when you come to your ad manager, you can easily identify what that ad is for, so that you don't get confused, right? Then your budget, you can decide to test with 2,000 naira per day, depending on what you're comfortable with, right? So I will just continue, and I'll click on next to go to the ad set level. Now the asset level is where you do your targeting, alright? Where you select the age range, the audience, the location you want to target, right? And your event. So our asset name, I'll just say 0 targeting. Click on save and continue, right? Maybe if I want to target interest, let's say I want to target people that are interested in entrepreneur, digital marketing. I will put the interest name here so that I will know that, oh, so I'm targeting this kind of audience. For the sake of this tutorial, I want to target 0 targeting. I want to go broad, so I'll click on save and continue. So that when I come to the ads manager, I'll know that, oh, so is this audience I'm targeting? Very simple, right? Now the conversions. So click on the pencil icon, right? Then of course, I want to use message destination, right? They want to select WhatsApp, right? But if you are into service base, you want to select Instagram. For the sake of this tutorial, I just want to go with WhatsApp business, right? Then I will click on continue, right? If your WhatsApp number is not showing here, that's because you have not linked your WhatsApp number to your Facebook page. So you want to do that, right? So once you have done that, you can click on select your WhatsApp. You can untick Messenger. You just want only WhatsApp. You can click on continue. Then your schedule. This means when do you want your ad to start? So I always I always prefer my ad to start during the next day by 12 a.m. Right? so that you can allocate my budget across the whole of the 24 hours, right? Comfortably. So I'll just click on the pencil icon here. Then I will schedule my ads to start running the next day by 12 a.m. Right? So 12 a.m. Okay. So it's going to, my ad is going to be ongoing. There's no end date. So I'll click on continue. Then my audience, who do I want to reach? I'll click here. I'll click on show more. Then my minimum age, I want to go with 24, depending on what I'm selling. Right? You know your target audience. You know the age range that really wants your offer. Right? So I'll select my age range. Then you see we're on Advantage Plus. I'll click on this show more here. Right? Then my gender will be all. Right? Then my location, if you sell only Lagos, okay, let's add a location. Let's click on edit. Let's assume I'm selling in Lagos, so like I just come here and type Lagos, right? Lagos, Nigeria. I click on OK, and I click on save. But if I'm selling to the whole of Nigeria, I'll just leave it at Nigeria or the whole of the country, right? You can see my estimated audience size here, 7.5 million to 8.8 million. So the interest, you don't have to put anything on interest, alright, because we are going broad. Alright, look at it, detailed targeting. Click on this ad here now. Right, this ad here in front of detailed targeting. You're able to do your interest targeting. Here you put a keyword to target, alright. But you don't want to do that right now because you're targeting, you are good to go. The algorithm can find your best buyers for you, right? So there's no point trying to restrict the algorithm, right? So you see this detailed targeting, you can just avoid it and skip it. All you have to do is, yes, select your age range and your location. That's all. Right, under your audience control. Once you have done that, you can now click on continue to proceed. Right, then your placement, to leave it at automatic, which is let Facebook or Instagram show your ads to places that is more likely to convert. So you don't have to restrict it to, oh, show my ads only on feed. Oh, show my ads only on reels. No, just leave it at automatic too. Right, the AI is so fucking smart now to find your best buyers. So once you have done with the asset level, you can now click on next to go to the ad level, right? Where you put in the text, your pictures, your video, the ones people see when they are scrolling online, right? Now your ad name, let me just rename my ad name so that we know that, oh, this particular ad is for this. So let me just say blue flyer, right? Which is the name of the ad. I'll now click on save and continue. You want to be renaming everything you are doing so that you can be organized. Then your identity, which is your page. If you don't want to use this particular page showing here, you can click on the pencil icon and select another page. But my page is already here, so I'll just leave it. Right. Then ad setup. This is where you now set up your ad. So click on the pencil icon, click on it. And instead to select single image or video, you can decide to select carousels. If you are familiar with Instagram, you're going to see those cards. Here you swipe different images and pictures. So that's exactly what is replicated here on Meta ads. Like here you can put in different pictures and people can be swiping. It's good for physical products like those ads, Didi, Jumia, those kind of ads, Jumia, Temu is running. Here you can be swiping and seeing different product varieties and all that. Alright, so that's carousels ad. And if you want to learn how to set up carousels ad, you can check the description of this video, right, to learn exactly how you can set up carousels ad step by step, even with your smartphone. Right, I'm going to show you can use your smartphone to run ads just as if it's in your laptop, right? So you want to make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to this channel and stick around to this video. So like this video now, subscribe to this channel. Have you done that? Right, let's continue. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to use single image or video. And of course, you want to select create ads and I'll click on continue. Add creative. This here now select my add creative. I'll click on this. Right, in my headline, I'll just see. Let me just use something short, something that's going to grab people's attention. Alright. My primary text, I can decide to paste in something here. I click on continue. So guys, the next thing you want to do is to upload your flyer or your video you want to use. Alright, so since we select single image or video, we're going to select a single image or video. How do you do that? On this option here, click on it. Alright, click on it. then single image or video, click on it. Then you can now upload the picture from your phone, right? The picture or the video from your phone. So just select it, then click on done. Then the headline, I've already pasted the headline here, learn how to run viral ads, right? And headline is a short text you can use to grab people's attention, like your target audience attention, right? Then primary text, this is where you enter your primary text. This is where you enter your primary text. You can paste your primary text here, right? So I already pasted it here. Once you paste it here, you can now click on continue, right? Now you're going to see that this is showing invalid call to action. Invalid call to action type is used with click to WhatsApp ad. Clear this error. Come back to this place again. Add creative. Click on it. Then scroll down. Scroll down, down, down. You see this place that say call to action. Click on it. Right. Then select WhatsApp instead. Send WhatsApp message. Right. Click on it. Once you have said send WhatsApp message, click on continue. So you can see that the error has disappeared. Now we can now preview our ad and we are ready to publish it. Right. You can see our ad preview. You can see our headline now. Our headline is learn how to run viral ads, send WhatsApp message, and you can see our caption. Alright. So once you click on publish, your ad is going to be published. So I just click on publish now. So I'm going to turn off this ad because I don't really want to run it now. Right. So if you are getting value in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Alright. And let me quickly show you how to, there are some limitations you can't do with this app, right? But if you have a laptop, this is how you can actually get all the features you will normally get on your laptop, right? So you just come to your Safari browser or your Chrome browser and set it on desktop mode, right? By clicking this place, then click on desktop site. So it's going to do as if you are on your laptop or your computer, right? So once you have done that, you can now click on this all tools here. Right, click on this all tools here. Alright. Then you're able to see all of the features you can't even get on the Meta app, right? You can set up your pixel here, set up custom events, do a lot of things you can't do on the app. Once you click on all tools, this way you can access your ads manager, right? This place here. This way you can set up your audience, retargeting and all that, custom audience and all that, right? Event manager, a lot of features you can find here. You can't find on the Meta app, right? You're just going to look as if you're on your normal desktop, right? So to access your ads manager, just click on this ads manager. This here you're able to run ads too, right? So that's how you can actually use your phone, whether your iPhone or your Android phone, to run effective Facebook and Instagram ads, even if you don't have a laptop, right? So you can see that laptop does not really stop you from running effective ads because you can get all of the features you will normally get on your laptop here too, right? So I trust you are getting value in this video. If you really gain value in this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Alright, and if you want a step-by-step training on how to run effective Facebook ads, in fact, I shoot a video for more than 1 hour, right, where I show you step by step, click by click, how to run and set up effective Facebook and Instagram ads. So if you want that video, make sure you click on the video showing at the top of your screen to access it right now, alright, so you can implement it and use your phone to run effective ad.